Namaste and welcome to Hindi with Bindu Udayan, where you will be getting English explanation to all your Hindi lessons. Freedom. We all strive for freedom. We all want to be free and independent. The greater the freedom, the greater the responsibility. The responsibility towards others as well as towards ourselves. Today we will learn Katputali, the puppet by Bhavani Prasad Mishra. Be ready to take up the responsibility before striving for freedom.
Here is the fourth lesson of class 7th from Vasant Bhag 2, Katputali, the puppet by Bhavani Prasad Mishra. Let us know about Katputali. The word Katputali is the combination of two words, Kat and Putali. Kat means wood and Putali means doll. So basically, Katputali or the puppet, they are handcrafted dolls made using wood, cotton and colored fabrics. ये राजस्थान की प्राचीन लोक कला है. It's a native art form of Rajasthan, an exclusive part of Rajasthani culture and tradition. ये मनोरंजन का साधन है. It's basically a source of entertainment. The local tribes of Rajasthan have been performing this art from the ancient eras, where these puppets are controlled by a puppeteer with the help of strings or threads. ये नैतिक और सामाजिक जागरूकता का माध्यम भी है. Now, these puppets are not only a source of entertainment, but also they provide moral and social education. They contribute to the spread of social and moral awareness. This poem Katputli also comes with a very strong moral message. स्वतंत्र रहना कौन नहीं चाहता? सभी अपने प्रतिबंधों से मुक्त होकर अपनी इच्छा से जीना चाहते हैं. Everyone wants to be free. Everyone wants to live a life free from all sorts of restrictions. लेकिन स्वतंत्रता अपने साथ उत्तरदायित्व लेकर आती है, हमारी और उन सब की जो हमारे साथ हैं. But freedom comes with responsibility towards ourselves and all those who are associated with us. आजादी के लिए संघर्ष करना और उसे प्राप्त करना अलग बात है. उसकी कीमत पहचानना और उसकी रक्षा करना अलग. Freedom is invaluable. It's one thing to fight for it and achieve it, and yet another thing to know its real value and to safeguard it. This strong moral has been conveyed through the poem Katputli by Bhavani Prasad Mishra. Let's go through the poem. कठपुतली. कठपुतली गुस्से से उबली, बोली ये धागे क्यों है मेरे पीछे आगे? इन्हें तोड़ दो, मुझे मेरे पांव पर छोड़ दो. सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां कि हाँ, बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए. मगर पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी, ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी? कठपुतली गुस्से से उबली. कठपुतली the puppet गुस्से से उबली. She could not control her anger. The कठपुतली raged. बोली ये धागे क्यों है मेरे पीछे आगे? And she said, why is it that I am tied with threads and strings all around? इन्हें तोड़ दो. Break them away. Break these threads. मुझे मेरे पांव पर छोड़ दो. And leave me. Let me be free. Let me be self-sufficient. I want to stand on my own legs, she said. Here, the puppet feels sad to dance according to the will of others. She is frustrated being enslaved. She decides to struggle for independence. सुनकर बोली और कठपुतलियां कि हाँ, बहुत दिन हुए हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए. मन के छंद is मन की पुकार, your inner voice, your inner desire. Here we can find that there are many puppets around who were also leading a dissatisfied life. because they are also tied with strings. They are also bound to dance to the will of others. They are not happy. When they heard the first puppet struggling for freedom, they supported her. They said, कि हाँ. They said, yes, you're right. बहुत दिन हुए. Since a long time, हमें अपने मन के छंद छुए. Even we did not express our feelings since a long time. Here we can see that the desire to be free was suppressed in all the other puppets, which came out when the first puppet raised her voice when she became ready to struggle for freedom. मगर पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी, ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी? इच्छा is wish or desire. मगर but पहली कठपुतली सोचने लगी, the first puppet started thinking, ये कैसी इच्छा मेरे मन में जगी? What kind of wish did I get in my mind? Now, this statement conveys a lot. When the first puppet realizes that all the other puppets are willing to join her in the struggle for freedom, she feels alarmed. She realizes that she is not alone. She realizes that she will have to take up the responsibility of all those who are following her. And then she thought, will she be able to handle this? Is she capable enough to take up the responsibility of others? If achieved, will these puppets utilize the freedom in a proper way? What if things go wrong? Is she ready to face the consequences? She understands that freedom comes with responsibility, and she thinks not to take any decision in haste. Whatever decision she takes should be for the betterment of all the people who are along with her. तो यहाँ हमने देखा कि कठपुतली को दूसरों के इशारों पर नाचने से दुख होता है और वह स्वतंत्रता के लिए विद्रोह करती है। वह अपने पांव पर खड़ी होना चाहती है। उसकी बात सभी कठपुतलियों को अच्छी लगती है। वे भी उसके साथ विद्रोह करने के लिए तैयार हो जाती हैं। लेकिन जब पहली कठपुतली पर सबकी स्वतंत्रता की जिम्मेदारी आती है, तो वह सोच समझ कर कदम उठाना जरूरी समझती है। The puppet feels sad to dance according to the will of others. Frustrated and enraged, she decides to struggle for independence without giving a second thought. But when she realizes that all the other puppets were willing to join her in the struggle for freedom, she feels alarmed. She realized that she was not prepared to take the responsibility of others. हमारे जीवन में भी अक्सर कठपुतली जैसी परिस्थिति आती है जब हम स्वयं को प्रतिबंधों के धागों से बंधा महसूस करते हैं। हम उन धागों को तोड़कर अपने पैरों पर खड़े होना चाहते हैं, पर जब हम दूसरों को अपने साथ खड़ा पाते हैं तो उनकी जिम्मेदारी भी हम पर आ जाती है। ऐसी स्थिति में कोई भी निर्णय सोच समझ कर लेना चाहिए। Like the puppet in the poem, many a times we too feel frustrated because of the restrictions on us. We have the urge to break away from all the restrictions and free ourselves. We forget the fact that there are people around us who also feel the same. They were just waiting for someone to take the initiative. In such a situation, we must think before taking any decision. We must check if we are ready to make the change we wish for. Are we capable of taking that big step? Are we ready to accept the challenges? Are we strong enough for it? Think before you act. So this is what we learned from the poem Katputli. संघर्ष करने से पहले स्वयं को उसके लिए सक्षम बनाएं. Make yourself strong and capable enough to face the challenges before you struggle for a change. जब हम पर स्वयं के साथ दूसरों की भी जिम्मेदारी का दायित्व हो, तो सोच समझ कर कदम उठाएं. Do not take any decision in haste. Whatever decision we take, make sure that it is in the best interest of others. Think 100 times before you take a decision. Here are a few questions for revision. कठपुतली को गुस्सा क्यों आया? Why was the puppet angry? पहली कठपुतली का साथ किसने दिया? Who supported the first puppet when she struggled for freedom? दूसरी कठपुतलियों ने क्या कहा? What did the other puppets say? दूसरी कठपुतलियों की बात सुनकर पहली कठपुतली ने क्या सोचा? What did the first puppet think after listening to the other puppets? कठपुतली कविता से आपने क्या सीखा? And what did you learn from this poem? So that was Katputli with a message that we must think a lot before taking any decision. Hope you understood the explanation and the moral behind the poem. See you again in the next video with a new lesson.